Hi, good day to you, YouTubers. Well, today I decided to upgrade my existing tripod, which I've had for quite some time. And I decided on the Manfrotto. The Manfrotto is one of the better tripods. So yeah, I just wanted to see. Hopefully, this will be a better one, because I find with the old one there's always been jitter when I do videos and stuff like that. Well, without any further ado, let's have a look at I'll have to quickly open it up. Alright, so it looks like I don't really need anything else but to open it from this side. It comes in its own bag. Oh, goodness me. Alright, sorry, I just had to fix up the table a little bit there. Yeah, so this is the tripod. I must say it feels quite steady. So it comes in a bag, as I said. So, alright, so I took it out. It's got the three-way, and has the actual connection for the camera, and then of course the instructions. What I like about this is, first of all, it's very steady, and then you basically, these legs do clip in, which is actually quite nice. And it's also, you can adjust the length of the legs as well, and I believe you can also, like doing that, you can have all kinds of different angles on this, and you can yeah, it actually just clicks in quite nicely. It's very steady, that I can show you that. And then of course the actual head itself, I think if you can also pull this one out, and then you can sort of move it up and down. Alright, I've just mounted a camera on here so that you can just see. It was a little bit tricky to get this guy in on the mount, but basically if you pan, you can see it's very smooth. This, when it up and down, or it's a little bit creaky, but no problem. And then of course this controls, if you basically go like that, so it's sideways. And then I'm still trying to work out what this is for, because it doesn't really make much of a difference if I tighten it. Then of course it's got the bubbles so that you can leveler, and then on this side you have how far down you want to go, and so yeah, look, it's a very, very steady tripod, I must admit. It's definitely gonna hold any sort of camera, perhaps maybe bigger video camera, stuff like that will do well on this. You can extend this further. This particular tool here is actually sort of a tool, so you can tighten these actual clamps here if they do go loose in time. And I believe you can turn this around and the camera can be at the bottom. I'll have to check that out as well. As I said, the first thing that I found was a little bit difficult was to actually put the actual camera on. But to look at the instructions. But look, the bag is quite cool. And for the price, it was really I believe is a good buy. Thank you for watching.